What if a single military vehicle could launch a surface-to-air missile, fire a long-range rocket, and then switch to hypersonic strike mode, all in the same day? This isn't the future. This is happening now. Welcome to the battlefield of tomorrow, where modular launcher systems are revolutionizing how modern militaries fight, move, and win. Introduction: Why this matters. In the 20th century, every weapon system had its own platform, one launcher for artillery, another for missiles, and so on. But that's changing. Now, we are entering an era of flexibility, interoperability, and speed. With modular launcher systems, militaries no longer need to transport multiple heavy platforms. They only need one adaptable vehicle that can do it all. This innovation isn't just smart, it's strategic. What is a modular launcher system? Let's break it down. A modular launcher system is a multi-role platform with interchangeable weapon pods. These launchers can be ground-based, like HIMARS or future modular vehicles, ship-mounted naval VLS, or even integrated with mobile missile batteries. They support a wide array of munitions: artillery rockets, air defense interceptors, anti-ship missiles, ballistic or hypersonic weapons, all fired from a single chassis or core system that can quickly swap its payload based on mission needs. U.S. Army's 2025 announcement. In July 2025, General Christopher Donahue, U.S. Army Europe and Africa Commander, announced a groundbreaking initiative. The Army is developing a universal, optionally manned modular launcher system capable of firing various NATO standard munitions. This is part of the broader Army 2030 modernization strategy. The goal? To unify logistics, cut costs, and give commanders the flexibility to adapt in real time. It's not just about shooting. It's about surviving, adapting, and dominating in multi-domain operations. Why this strategy works. Why is this shift so important? 3 reasons. Interoperability with NATO allies. Every NATO nation has different systems. Modular launchers solve that by enabling shared ammo and shared platforms, improving logistics and battlefield coordination. Cost effectiveness. Instead of building separate vehicles for HIMARS, Patriot, or THAAD systems, you build one core vehicle with plug-and-play launch pods. Rapid reconfiguration. A modular launcher can be refitted in hours to respond to new battlefield needs. Air defense in the morning, long-range fires in the evening. This is true combat agility. Real-world scenarios. Let's visualize some real combat uses. Green Circle Scenario 1, Eastern Europe conflict. A U.S. Army brigade deploys near NATO borders. Instead of dozens of systems, it brings 10 modular launchers. 3 configured for air defense. 4 for long-range precision strikes. 3 held in reserve to switch roles as needed. Green Circle Scenario 2, Indo-Pacific conflict. On board a Navy ship, modular VLS launchers can switch between anti-ship and land attack roles using software and container swaps. In both cases, the same launcher, multiple uses, mission ready. Lessons from Ukraine and modern warfare. The Ukraine war taught the world that speed and mobility matter more than ever. Artillery systems get targeted within minutes. Supply lines are under constant drone surveillance. Heavy platforms are slow and vulnerable. Modular launchers solve this by being lighter, faster, more decentralized. They are harder to hit, easier to move, and faster to reload. This is what makes them lethal force multipliers. Challenges and ethical considerations. Of course, there are challenges. Technical complexity requires advanced fire control systems to safely handle multiple types of munitions. Training burden. Troops need to master various payloads and software protocols. Cybersecurity. As these systems get more digital, they become more hackable. AI integration. Many of these launchers will eventually be AI-aided or even unmanned, raising questions about human control and lethal decision-making. Still, the advantages outweigh the risks. The future vision. Looking ahead, the modular launcher may become a universal combat node, One that talks to drones, integrates with satellite targeting, loads custom AI-generated firing patterns, communicates with allied systems in real time. In short, the modular launcher could become the heart of a digital battlefield, a system not only of firepower, but of decision power. White heavy checkmark. Final words. To wrap it up, modular launcher systems are not just hardware. They are a doctrine, a strategy, and a vision of faster, smarter, more adaptable warfare. In an age where threats evolve in minutes, the military that can adapt its firepower instantly will always have the upper hand. One launcher, many missions, maximum dominance. Would you like the SEO, hashtags, and a 2 MB thumbnail for this speech as well?